Have you ever had specific answers that need to go in a column that you would love to color code? I'm here to tell you today that there's a really easy way to do it, and it's called conditional formatting. And we can set that up to automatically color code upon entry of a word. And it makes life really easy when entering stuff. So I'm going to share with you my screen. And so here's my spreadsheet, and you can see that there's some different colors in this format. And when I click on one of these cells, you can see there's a drop-down box. So these are the answers that are allowed in this column. Now, if I changed this, it will automatically change the coloring. So there's no human intervention that's needed. You just need to put in the right thing. So if I select one down here, and I'm just going to say booked, okay, that's great. So now I can filter by that color. So I'm going to select the black, and here's all the booked ones. I'm going to select a count, so I know how many I have. Right now it's not actually counting this one because there's nothing in that cell. So I'll put my name in there, and you can see that it jumps to 7. I'm going to unselect that and clear it. So I'm just going to, oops, not that. I want to clear the filter. And now I got everybody. So now there's 31 items in here. What's really cool, as these are done, I'm going to come up here and say this will get moved to different things as it goes through. And once they're done, we'll complete them. And then you can hide those ones that are completed, or you can hide any color that you want by just, so if I wanted to hide the completed, I'm not getting rid of them. I can just unselect them, and we can see we have 24 that are in the process that haven't happened yet. So this is both called data validation and conditional formatting are both going on in this cell. So if I just typed in something, like I type in my name or something, it's going to tell me, that's not valid in this cell. You need to put in something else. So I can cancel that. And if I just start typing booked, I can just type in the B and tab, and it'll fill it in because it's up above. So I love making this way because it takes out the human error in inputting stuff into a spreadsheet, because Lord only knows I've typed things wrong. But I am Tina Palmgren with Excelling Your Business, and if you'd like to learn more about how you can automate things in a spreadsheet, color conditioning or color formatting, conditional formatting, goodness, or data validation or anything like that, I would love to have a conversation with you to show you how it can help you be more efficient, productive, and accurate. And if there's anything that most people know about me, I'm all about efficiency and accuracy, because if neither one of those, especially accuracy, there's no point in doing it if it's not accurate. That's my motto anyway. And for me, efficiency is just what I love to do. I really realized after doing my core values and knowing that efficiency and accuracy are two of my core values, I really looked back at some of the corporate jobs and said, oh, no wonder I didn't like these things, because there was no efficiency or accuracy, and it just drove me nuts. So that's what I love to do. So if I can help you be more efficient and accurate and make your job easier, I would love to have a chat. Check out the bit.ly link down here that you can see on the screen, and set an appointment on my calendar. It's a free 15-minute call, and I would love to chat. Until then, happy excelling.